So in this video, I'm unboxing a new blow dryer from Conair. When I've been doing some haircuts, I've noticed that when it comes time to lining up the front, my routine is comb out the front, lay down the hair with either a 2 guard or a 1 guard. Then I would follow up with rubbing alcohol, spray the front area, clean up the hair and the forehead region where I'm going to be lining up the hair. Next, I would use some holding spray, spray the hair into place, and then proceed to line up the hair. When I would spray the holding spray on the hair, it would take a while for it to set in. So I decided to buy this hair blower to speed up the process. See if that cuts down time cutting hair. This blow dryer is from Amazon. It's about 18 bucks. It has 2 speed settings and a cold air blast setting. So you can see that I'm looking at the optics. I like the color. Checking the different modes. So speed 1, I'm testing it against my forearm. Then the speed 2, I'm testing it against my forearm. Then I'm testing the cold air blast against my forearm as well. When I'm content, you see I put it back in the drawer and wrap it up.